Hey everyone, welcome back to You Can Do It. Today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to create your very own HTML game using AI from absolute zero. And here's the best part, you don't need to know programming. No coding experience, no complicated setup, and no API keys. If you can follow simple steps on your screen, then yes, you can absolutely do this. In this video, we'll be using Kilo CLI to build a simple HTML and JavaScript game together. It's fast, it's lightweight, and it lets AI help us generate the code step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, let's open ChatGPT and head over to the Kilo website so we can install the CLI tool that we'll be using for today's project. Now you'll notice that they also have something called Kilo CLI, which works very similarly to OpenClaw. It's another powerful tool for AI-assisted workflows, but for this tutorial, we're keeping things simple. What we need today is the Kilo CLI. So go ahead and click on Docs, then navigate to the installation guide. From there, click on CLI so we can see the setup instructions. For this installation, we'll be using npm to install the Kilo CLI. npm is the package manager that comes with Node.js, and it makes installing developer tools really quick and easy. But before we can use npm, we need to make sure that Node.js is installed on your computer. If you already have Node.js installed, you're good to go. But if not, don't worry, just head over to the Node.js website, download the installer for your system, and install it on your PC. It only takes a couple of minutes. Once Node.js is installed, you'll automatically have access to npm, which means we can move on to installing the Kilo CLI in the next step. Now that Node.js is installed, let's move on to the next step. Open your command prompt. The quickest way to do this is by pressing Windows + R on your keyboard. A small run window will appear. Just type cmd, then press enter, and your command prompt will open. Once that's ready, go back to the Kilo website. In the CLI installation section, you'll see the installation command provided there. Simply copy that script. Then return to your command prompt, paste the command you copied, and press enter. This will start the installation process for the Kilo CLI on your computer. Give it a few seconds to complete, and once it's finished, we'll be ready to start using Kilo to build our AI-powered HTML game. To verify that everything installed correctly, go back to your command prompt and type Kilo, then press enter. If the installation was successful, you should see the version number appear on your screen. Excellent, that means the Kilo CLI is now ready to use. Now let's open ChatGPT. Here, we're going to ask it to generate the basic game mechanics for the simple game we want to build. Technically, you can skip this part if you want. I'm just showing you a helpful technique that many developers use. Instead of only writing prompts, you can create a markdown file that clearly describes the project you want to build. This markdown file acts like a guide or instruction sheet for the AI. It explains the goal of the project, the features you want, and how the game should behave. For small projects, it's optional. But for bigger projects, this method becomes very powerful because it helps the AI stay consistent and understand the overall direction of what you're trying to create. Alright, let's continue. First, create a new folder on your desktop. For this tutorial, I'll name it Subway Surf. Next, take the instructions we generated from ChatGPT and open Notepad. Paste all the instructions into the Notepad file. Now go to File, Save As, and make sure to change the file type to all files. Name the file instructions.emd and save it inside the folder you just created. This markdown file will act as the blueprint for our game. Once that's done, go back to the Subway Surf folder. Right-click anywhere inside the folder and select Open Terminal. This opens a terminal right in that folder location, making everything easier to manage. In the terminal, type Kilo and press enter to start the Kilo CLI. When it starts, it will automatically select a free AI model that's available. But for this video, we want to use Hunter Alpha specifically, so we'll manually select it in the CLI. This ensures we're using the model that can best help us generate our HTML and JavaScript game. The AI model we'll be using is Hunter Alpha, powered by Xiaomi's MiMo-V2-Pro, a surprisingly powerful model that can generate clean code and help us turn a simple idea into a working game in just a few minutes. Now, let's ask the AI to read the instructions.emd file and generate the game code for us. As you can see, the AI has created its own checklist of tasks that need to be done. All we have to do is sit back and wait while the AI completes the process. Let's fast forward the video. Alright, the AI just confirmed that our game file has been successfully created. Let's go ahead and check it out. Open the file in your browser, and there it is. Our HTML game, fully created by AI. But let's make it even better. I want to add a high score feature. All we need to do is instruct the AI to add a high score and position it in the upper left corner, below the score UI. Now, let's wait for the AI to finish generating the updated code with the high score feature. Once it's done, go ahead and refresh your browser. You'll see the high score appear in the upper left corner, right below the score UI, fully integrated into your game. Just like that, your HTML game is now even more interactive, all thanks to AI. See how easy that was? Even without any programming background, you can simply tell the AI what features to add, and it takes care of the rest. And that's it for today. Now it's your turn. Create your first HTML game and share it in the comments section. I want to see all your amazing ideas. If you want more tutorials like this, hit the follow button and stay tuned for our next video. Because here on this channel, we believe one thing: you can do it.